Hey Towbook World, I'm Christina, Floyd. I'm from Hawkinsville, Georgia with Hawkinsville Collision and Towing. Coming to you about our tow books here. I've been using this system for 3 years, you guys, and it's the most amazing system there is. We actually have the $289 package, but there are several that are out there. You can also sign up for like the free trial to begin with. But it has so many aspects to it. Not only is it just for the tow world, you can also kind of tweak it a little bit if you have a body shop or an auto shop that you want to use it just for, like, say, your accounting purposes, so you can keep up with your day-to-day things. So that's what we use it. We use it for our towing and we use it for our body shop as well. So, but there's reports that you can use. There's a way that you can check and see how much commissions your drivers have got. There's a way to set it up for your services to be different as far as the amounts and things like that. So it's very versatile for any part of the industry for the auto world. We use it also for our digital stuff. So we are with a lot of motor clubs. We use it for our digital, but we also use it for our cash calls. We use it for our 911 impounds, 911 accidents. We use this system for all kinds of things. We use it also to chat with our drivers back and forth. There is a little chat session that you have on certain packages. You can chat with them back and forth. Say a customer doesn't know where they're located, there is a little pin that you can hit. You can send it to them on text, and then they can actually send you a pin back by following their little thing, and it shows exactly where they're located. Surveys. We love hearing about what our customers love about our company, about our drivers, what we're doing that we may either need to improve on or if we're doing really great. And those surveys help us to know what we can do better or if we're already in line of what we need to do. So that's a really great aspect of tow books. So I would definitely highly recommend tow books for you to give it a try.